Okay, you guys, so my soap is almost finished, as you can see here. So I'm gonna refill and do more. So let me show you, what I do. I have multiple videos of this, but I'm doing another version of what I did the previous time. Okay, so yep. Okay, so these are my Zoats. I buy them bulk, and then I shred them with my soap shredder. This is only for my, soap laundry. So don't mix this with your regular one, okay? So, yeah, let me show you my soap that I mix with. You can also use a softener or any other thing, but I'm only going to use this and the two kinds soap that I'm going to be using just for today, okay? So I will buy this in bulk and make my life easier. If I never save you money throughout the whole year, I hope before the year ends, I might be able to save you this as well. Okay, so I hope this helps some of you that wants me to, yeah. Adama, you're one of those, okay? So I'm gonna use this. When I tell you this Ariel smells so good, it smells so good. I'm only gonna do this and then add one of this Ariel. But when I tell you this smells so good, you don't want too much of it. Yeah. So I'm gonna use 2 aroma, and then this aroma, and then one of this Ariel. I don't want to do too much, okay? So you guys, I'm going to grate my soap, and then I will come back when I want to mix this, stuff, soap together. But as you can see, yeah, the soap is completely, when I tell you guys, this lasts me for months, even though sometimes I get deals from Dollar General. So yeah, so I get deals from Dollar General, like I said, so I keep them and stuff like that. Like I said, I buy the bulk ones, make my life easy peasy, make life easier, make your life easy as possible, okay? So you guys, I will come back when I'm all ready. If this is what you're supposed to use for your soap. I have this in here. Them kids put it in here. Yeah, so alright. So but once you scoop one of this, that's all you need. Because nowadays these new washers that we have, you guys, yes, these new washers that we have, they don't take much. They don't at all. Yeah, they don't take much at all, so you don't need that. See, I'm doing their whites now. Don't need much. Okay, you guys, so I'm done. Let me turn this dryer off. So I'm done shredding my Zoat soap. So I'm going to put my aroma. You can put some mask on if you want to. You can. This is also hard to mix, you guys, so yeah. So this is the Zoat that I've shredded. Some of this area. Okay, you guys, so I hope I save you some money before the year ends. Happy 2026. By God's grace, we all shall enter 2026. So this should last me more than 3 to 5 months, you guys. So usually I'll fill the tub, but I just want to do it half and half because it's hard to mix. So that's why I did it this way. This is another way if you don't want to spend too much, how people can put like what's the thing in the container? I forgot it, but you know, make your clothes smells good. It's the same thing as the Zote as well. So yeah, this is another cheaper version. But you can do whatever you want. You know, it's your soap. You know, you can do whatever you want, however you want to do it, you can. But like I said, you can either use this, that's how much you need, or depending on how much your clothes, or if you think you need it this much, it's up to you. But I use this on my kids' clothes, and when I tell you my clothes be clothing, yes. And I have saved tons of money doing this, you guys. Yes, tons of money doing this. So yes, guys, like I say, I hope I save you something or you learn something. You can try this. If you cannot afford the brand name, let me know. I will do like a Dollar Tree one for you guys, and it will sum up to be the same as well. But let me know. You know, I will do, if you comment, if you want to see something else.